Hey, good day, guys. So, welcome to my YouTube channel from anywhere you're listening to me right now. So, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to upload file to your ChatGPT. As you know, the free ChatGPT, you cannot upload document. So, you can't upload documents. You have to copy the content of the document, no matter how much it is. So but here now it will be very easy for you to upload your document by the time we are done with this video. So please, before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, click the like button and the notification bell so that you can get notified of our subsequent videos. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So as you can see, the ChatGPT interface now, there is no upload file option here. So we are going to be using a Chrome extension to we're going to be using a Chrome extension to upload file to ChatGPT. So just come to Google and type ChatGPT file uploader extended. So this is it. That's what we are seeing on the first ranking first on the Google. So ChatGPT file uploader extended. Make sure you are seeing chrome.google.com. So just click on it. So this is Chrome Web Store. While we're on this page, on the right side here, top right side, you just click on add to Chrome. So it's saying okay, this is just a prompt that it can read and change your data on chat.openai.com. Yes, we click add extension. So it's downloaded and being added to Chrome. So we have a message here that says ChatGPT file uploader extended has been added to Chrome. So we can manage our extension. You can either remove it here directly, or if you're using Windows like me, you see this icon here is extension. So click on the extension, then let's go to manage extensions. So you can see the ChatGPT file uploader extended here. So you can either switch it off when you don't need it, or switch it on, or you can remove it completely. So we don't want to do that now. So let's go back to our ChatGPT. You can see that there is absolutely no difference observed right now. So what we just need to do is just refresh the page, and voila, there you have it, guys. So you can see the button here appearing in green right now. So let's test whether it's actually working. You click on upload file. So let's just select a document. I'm just going to select a document on variety complex. So guys, can you see that it's working perfectly now? So all these files have been uploaded, and it actually summarized it. So you can do whatever you want to do with this now. You can either ask it to give you a shorter summary. It's even bringing expected questions from the file. So I can ask it to give me multiple choice questions from the file above. So multiple choice questions from the file above. So and ChatGPT will go right ahead and create MCQs for you. Guys, can you see it? So can you see that this is actually wonderful? So you can actually upload your file with this and then start asking questions from the file you uploaded instead of you going to copy and paste. So there you have it, guys. If you actually like this video, please use the like button, then and please subscribe to this channel right now. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.